Hello everyone, today we will show you how to unbox and assemble the 11 strokes Samarpan Mandir. Inside the box you will find a how to assemble guide. There is also a stencil marking for wall mounting. This guide is available in English as well as Hindi language. Apart from the guide, there is a bubble wrap pouch, and inside the bubble wrap pouch you will find a sachet of Fevikwik. This Fevikwik is required at the end of the assembly. There is also a pouch with screw and plastic brackets which is required for wall mounting. Now inside the bubble wrap pouch you will find 5 laser cut parts. Part number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is part number 1. Part number 1 is mentioned out here. You take part number 1 and place it at the edge of the table, ensuring that these 3 slots are outside the edge of the table. Now you take part number 2. Part number 2 is mentioned out here. Part number 2 has 3 slots and you insert them in the 3 holes of part number 1. Just press them firmly. After that you take part number 3. Part number 3 has to be inserted in part number 1 in the same way in these 3 slots. Take the 3 holes outside the edge of the table and insert part number 3. After part 2 and 3 are inserted in part number 1, you turn the mandir sideways. Then you take part number 4. Part number 4 is also mentioned, and part number 4 has 5 holes and there are 5 slots in part number 1, 2 and 3. First you position each slot at the hole so that it is matching and it can be press fit easily. Then you press each slot and hole to ensure that the parts are inserted firmly. And you repeat the same process with part number 5. You place it on part 1, 2 and 3. Ensure that each slot and hole is aligning. After that, press the slots so that the fitment is done tightly. After this, the assembly of the Samarpan Mandir is completed. There is a Fevikwik sachet. In case you feel that any of the slots are loose or you want to bond them permanently, you can use this liquid and release the droplets at the edges so that the mandir is bonded permanently.